Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to computer class. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 4, working with Windows. But before that, let's recall the things that we did learn in our previous video. In our previous video, we did learn about arranging the icons, sorting the icons, selecting and deselecting the icons. So, today we are going to learn about understanding the files and folders. Let's start to learn about file. Understanding files and folder. A collection of data stored together is called file. For example, you are making a file in Paint. You are saving your file in a folder. A folder is like a bag that stores a group of files and or other folders or subfolders. It is a group of file. Suppose you have created 5 to 6 files. So we can create one folder and save that files inside our folder. Like bag, folder is like a bag and files are like books. As we are storing all the bags in our books in our bag, same way we can save the file inside our folder. Thus, any work we do on computer, that is stored in the manner of file. Opening a program or folder. So let's learn how to open any program or folder. Simply double click on the selected icon to open it. First way, double click on any program or folder to open it, and the another way is right click on the icon, selected icon, and select the open option from that list. Now let's learn changing the desktop background. A wallpaper or a desktop background is a digital image used as a background, decorative background. So follow the step to change the desktop background. So let's learn how to change the background of your desktop. So step number 1 is right click anywhere on your desktop. Right click anywhere on your desktop, list will appear, and step number 2, select the personalize option. You have to select the personalize option and the personalization window will appear. Now step number 3, click on the drop down arrow of the background list box. Here we having background list box and we have to click on the small arrow icon, and option like picture, solid color and slideshow. 3 options are there. Step number 4, select any picture from choose your picture section. You can choose any picture from the choose your picture section, or you can click on the browse button to get more option of picture from the computer. You can also set the picture that is on your computer. Step number 5, click on the drag drop arrow of choose a file list box, fit list box. So you can select any option. The selected picture will be set as a desktop background. Whatever the picture you have selected, it will display at the desktop background. Now setting the screensaver. When a computer is left idle for a certain period of time, an image pops up. When we are leaving our computer idle, it means when we are not doing anything on computer for some time, that time one image pop up on the computer screen. So this image is called screensaver. This image is called screensaver. It conserves energy of maximize performance by adjusting display brightness and the power setting. So let's learn how to set the screensaver. So follow the steps to set or change your screensaver. Screensaver means the picture display on screen when we are not doing anything on computer. So step number 1, right click anywhere on the desktop. Step number 2, click on the personalize option from the list. Step number 3, from the personalization window, this window will appear. This is the personalization window, and select the lock screen option from the left pane. Lock screen option. Step number 3, now scroll down the select screensaver setting. Scroll down the select screensaver setting. The screensaver dialog box, this dialog box will appear. It is a screensaver. Now step number 4, click on the drag and drop arrow on the screensaver section. You have to click on this small arrow and select the screensaver of your choice. The list will appear. When you click on this small arrow, the list will appear. Then select the screensaver of your choice and set the timing for your screensaver, and then click on the OK button. Now let's learn how to shut down a computer. So shutting down is also called turning off a computer is called shutting down. So let's learn, as we already know how to shut down a computer, but let's learn how to shut down a computer. So to shut down a computer, we have to follow this step. Now step number 1, click on the start button. Step number 1 is click on the start button. Click on the power button. Here you can see it is a power button. Click on the power button and select the shut down option. This 3 option will appear. We have to select the shutdown option. The system will take some time to shut down. So here we have completed our chapter. That's it for today, students. We'll learn new chapter. Thank you.